Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the keyboard and host so pairing will succeed. Install fresh AA batteries and slide the power switch on. Stale batteries cause pairing failures. Choose which of the 3 easy switch channels you want to use, then press and hold that channel key until the white LED blinks. This puts the K470 into pairing mode. At the same time, enable Bluetooth on your computer or phone and move it within 3 meters. This reduces interference and speeds discovery. Once the K470 is blinking, switch to your host and open Bluetooth settings. On Windows, use Settings Bluetooth and Devices. On Mac OS, use System Settings Bluetooth. On iOS/Android, go to Bluetooth menu. Look for Logitech K470 in the list, tap or click it, and accept any pairing prompts. Sometimes a code appears you must confirm. After pairing, the OS will typically install necessary drivers automatically. Once it shows as connected, test typing to confirm the link. Make sure the keyboard remains on the same selected channel. To finish, open your host's keyboard settings to verify layout and modifier behavior, because region settings affect some symbols. You can install Logitech options, plus if you want to customize shortcuts, though basic typing works without extra software. If the keyboard does not connect, forget the K470 entry on your host, power the keyboard off for 10 seconds, then on and repeat pairing. This clears stale bindings. If issues persist, swap batteries and try a different easy switch channel. Often interference or low power is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.